Alright, so what is going on, everybody? I am Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Today, guys, as you can see, we have a very special unboxing in the building. I'm very excited to talk to y'all about this sneaker because even though I know a lot of people have been talking about how slow the year actually started off, this is one of those shoes that I actually planned and looked forward to when it came out. So I'm excited to see this one. I hope you guys are as well. Y'all already know the vibes, man. The channel has officially reached 70K. And with that being said, the merch is officially available right now as we speak. The Dream Big merch is here, man, and I'm so excited to release this because I put a lot of thought into it. It's V-Long inspired. So you see the Dream Big in a simple bold print in the front graphic. On the back graphic, we get a nice graphic print of the world. Like I said, you can really feel like the material on the back graphic, and you can even feel the material on the front graphic. We also have the t-shirts available as well, and we're doing a pre-order style. So you can pre-order these right now as we speak. The pre-order will only last for 2 weeks. So good luck to everybody. I wanted to make sure I could probably get this out to just about everybody I can. You see the Dream Big on the front, and then we flip it around, and you see the globe on the back. Like I said, it's definitely V-Long inspired. V-Long is very simplistic. It'll probably say something like friends on the front, and then of course it'll have that very popular V on the back that everybody take pictures with. But yes, that was the goal of this drop, man. Like I said, I'm super excited and I'm super thankful for each and every last one of y'all. The merch is live right now. Pre-orders are open as we speak. All you have to do is go to the link down below. Head over to the website, get your pre-order in, and man, thank y'all so much, man. Thank y'all for the ones who gonna pre-order that merch, man. It means so much to me. And I know we've been talking about it for a while, so the fact that it's here, it just means a lot. So with all that being said, let's get to the sneakers that you guys came here for, the Air Jordan 13 Starfish. Hiya, here we have it, man. Shout out to Hibbett Sports, okay? Hibbett Sports sent these over, and like I say, man, one thing about Hibbett Sports, they always make sure I'm taking care of over here at the channel. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you already know. Me and Hibbett, we've been able to do a lot of great videos, and what I love most about them is the fact that they have a lot of options. So everything from Air Jordans to actual basketball performance sneakers, even when it comes down to stuff like the Pumas, we've done stuff with the Puma RSX, we've done stuff with the Puma RXOs, so many different sneakers they've been able to send me. So if you have a Hibbett Sports near you, definitely check them out. They also linked up with City Gear as well, so you can probably get you some great clothing. We got the Sniper Bullet, and I'm about to open this package up. Air Jordan 13s might be the move this year. I feel like the Air Jordan 13 might get a lot of love this year, bro. It's a lot of Air Jordan 13s I'm hearing rumored to be released this year, and if you ask me, I'm all for it. You know, they released the Flint 13s with that last year, and I just think it's a lot more to come. So any of my people out there that love 13s, because there's a lot of y'all, a lot of people rock with the Air Jordan 13 pretty heavy. Like, I have to be honest, the Air Jordan 13 isn't one of my favorite silhouettes, but they do have some of the best storylines, and they have some of the best colorways. Probably gonna ask y'all what's your favorite colorways down below in the comment section later at the end of the video, but now let's just see what these starships look like. So rapid. Now we finally got them here in the studio. So the box is the regular silver box, nothing different. Got the Air Jordan Jumpman on the top. But what we really came here for is to see what these joints look like. Let me get them in hand for the first time. Woo! That orange though. The orange though, let me just talk about that. This orange is different. This orange hits. A lot of y'all know, maybe some of y'all don't know, orange is my favorite color. Like, I love the color orange. I don't know what it is about it, but I think it's one of the coolest colors in the world. So I already knew when this shoe was released to drop. You know how you can check out and see what shoes are coming out the next year. Usually they don't have all of the sneakers that's coming out the next year, but they will have like a lot of January, maybe a little bit of February. And this was on the list for January, and I was excited to pick these up. Now, I do not own the original shattered backboards at all. I was lucky enough to get the 3.0s. I think I got the shattered backboard 3.0s from Hibbett, if I wasn't mistaken. Maybe it wasn't, but I think it was a Hibbett Sports video I did. Regardless, to me, this is vintage shattered backboard look. Now, I know a lot of the Jordan guys don't like to compare other shoes to shattered backboards, but the shattered backboard is so historic. Any shoe that we get that's white, orange, and black always will be compared to it. And I'm not comparing these as far as how important they are, quality, or anything like that. It just falls under the same line, or at least under the same colorway as that shattered backboard. So I know this is called the Air Jordan 13 Starfish, but online, a lot of people on Twitter was calling this the Air Jordan 13 shattered backboard. So I'm gonna leave that up for y'all. I'm gonna just call it Starfish. The name of it is the Starfish, but it definitely gives you shattered vibes. Well, other than this suede being very bright, you know what I'm saying, very vibrant, it feels great. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out and see how good that suede looks. Very soft. I'm not gonna cap, the quality is very good, which surprised me because usually all of the Air Jordan 13 quality pretty much falls under the same guidelines, but I feel like they definitely did their thing with this Jordan quality right here. It also has that wrinkled leather. I love the texture of this leather, man. Whenever I see that, even look on the toe box right here, whenever I see the leather like that look wrinkled, balled up, I don't know, it just looks good. I like that. I always been a huge fan of like the wrinkled older leather. Of course, you got the Jordan 13 hologram right there at the top of the shoe as well. Air Jordan Jumpman on the tongue, and then you see the Jordan symbol right there at the bottom of the laces. Definition of classic, man. The Air Jordan 13 is the definition of classic. Maybe a lot of y'all know about this story already. The Air Jordan 13 was actually modeled after Jordan's nickname, which is Black Cat. This hologram right here on the back of the shoe is supposed to be like the eye of a cat. Y'all know how the eye of the cat look a little marble. You know what I'm saying? It look like a little marble-ish. And the outer sole of the shoe is supposed to be like the paw print of a panther or like a paw print of some type of cat-like figure. The side of the shoes right here, the reason why the holes are on the side of the shoe and on the inner side of the shoe is supposed to be like the whiskers coming out of the face of a cat. I always thought that was pretty cool. It's always been like one of my favorite Jordan stories, and I think that's the reason why people love the 13 so much. Is like the heritage and just the storyline that goes inside the 13. Let's talk about it, man. Like some of the best colorways that came from Jordan brand are on the Jordan 13. We got the Altitude 13s, we got the Ben 13s, Red 13, we got the Playoff 13, we got the Lucky Green 13, we got the Mellow 13, we got the Black Cat 13, we got Game 13. Like, it's so many different colorways of this shoe. I want to know your favorite 13s listed down below. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all mine now. So my list of 13s, okay, I'm a little biased, so I'm gonna give you mine. Now, my favorite basketball movie of all time is He Got Game, so that ranks #1. Not because I think the colorway is amazing, I've never seen nothing like it. It's strictly because what that movie means to me, and seeing that movie and seeing the sneakers inside the movie, it just made it bigger than life, okay? I wore 34 in high school for Jesus Shuttlesworth. I wanted to be Jesus Shuttlesworth, so that shoe holds a very specific memory for me, so that has to be #1. #2 is the DB13. I'm just playing. Hey, I'm just playing. I know that's the ugliest DB out there. It was a joke. Calm down. #2 will probably be the Playoff 13, not the Bread 13. I'm talking about the Playoff 13 with the black, the white midsole with the red outer sole. That was another one of my favorites I had growing up. And last but not least will probably be the Flint 13s. I don't know if a lot of y'all know, but the Flint 13 that's behind me, this is the Flint 13 from 2010. This is the first sneaker I ever bought with my own money. Y'all can tell right there from that toe box how banged up these was. I kept them this whole time. Like, everything behind me, there's a lot of sentimental value in a lot of these sneakers, man. And this is the Flint 13 that I paid for with my own money. The very first shoe I bought with my own money. I didn't even buy them brand new. I bought them used from a friend, but I still have those in the collection. And like I said, it just goes back to what the 13 means to me, and I know a lot of y'all have crazy 13 stories. If y'all want to hear story time on that Air Jordan 13, then let me know down below. I know y'all love the story time. I would definitely love to tell y'all that one. That was a real good one. But yes, man, huge shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending over the Air Jordan 13 Starfish. It has to be one of my favorite releases of the year so far. Not too much has came out yet, so it's kind of obvious, but still, white, orange, black, you know I love it. And like I said, man, this sneaker will probably get worn ASAP. Make sure you guys head over to cop the merch, because actually the merch goes right with the sneakers. I just thought about that. The merch matches the sneakers exactly. So if you are picking up these Air Jordan 13 Starfish, why not go ahead and cop the merch and have something to rock fly with your shoe? You know what I'm saying? It makes sense. I will catch up with you guys in the next one, man. Until next time, it is your boy Snapper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work, though. Snap Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.